Custom shutters from Diamond Custom Shutters Inc. offer a range of benefits for high windows, including 1. Improved lighting control. Our shutters are designed to provide precise control over the amount of light entering your room, allowing you to create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. 2. Enhanced privacy. High windows can be a challenge when it comes to privacy, but our custom shutters offer a discreet and effective solution, ensuring your home remains a sanctuary. 3. Increased energy efficiency. Our shutters are engineered to provide superior insulation, helping to keep your home comfortable and reducing your energy costs. 4. Customizable aesthetics. With a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes to choose from, you can create a look that perfectly complements your home's architecture and interior design. See the link in the description to verify our 99% rating on Home Stars. Any job big or small, we do them all.